Hello guys and welcome back to Peninsula Painting Project. It's Andy here. So, as we all know, Conquest came out this week or last week or whenever you subscribed. It's coming whenever basically. But anyway, this video is going to demonstrate how to assemble your Primaris Space Marines. Now, this is obviously aimed at beginners or people new to the hobby. Maybe people have been doing the hobby for a while and they've just never been taught how to do it. So yeah, we're gonna basically assemble these. We're gonna use some Citadel clippers. Now you may have got these if you subscribed. We're gonna use a mold line remover. Again, you may have got this if you subscribed, but I don't think it's the full thing. I think it's about half the size. We're not going to use any glue because we don't need to use glue in this. And I've got a nail file just in case we need to file anything down. So this is what I do. I clip out the miniatures. So obviously you don't clip it out. You don't clip out like that. So obviously you need to get it as close to the plastic as possible. So up here, and as well there's little pegs, and that's for the arms. You don't want to clip them off. You want to clip just above. And I personally like to go as close as possible to the miniature. So we just put him to one side. I think that's his backpack. So we do the same, literally just get as close to as possible. This is the captain, isn't it? So that's his gun. So it's really simple, nothing to worry about. Pointy finger of doom. And finally his head. So I get all those parts, put them to one side. All the backpacks are the same, so it doesn't really matter. This guy. So if I did this, for example, and I did it the wrong way, right? And then let's do it the right way. So close to the side where you want it to clip, right? So on this part, I clipped it like that. Well, that's got a big chunk there now, hasn't it? And if you go and put that in the base, you're not going to be able to. So that's why we say clip it as close as possible. Okay, so that's one part. So yeah, this is really simple. Not rocket science, but I was never shown when I started. So I think this may be useful to some people starting out. And if you've noticed, I've got my new microphone, so hopefully the audio is a lot better. So it's that simple, really, really quick and easy. That's the second guy. Push him to one side. And then next, the Auspex guy. Just see how quick I'm doing this, but just if you're not used to doing this, just take it slow, take it easy. There's no rush. I'm just rushing because I don't want the video to be too long. And obviously I'm used to doing this. And that's what you want to do. You want to try and get close in as possible and get that little bugger. Make sure we keep the little nub in there for his neck. See? The little nubbin thing there. You need to keep that on. Saying that, you don't have to actually if you want to pose the head in, look in a different way. I've seen some people use stuff like toenail clippers and all sorts of stuff. So that's completely empty now. Now, what I would advise to do, if you've got a multi-part kit, don't throw that out straight away, because I've done that in the past. I threw it out and it had parts still on it. So I just normally put it to one side and then throw it in the bin. So I'll just pop that on the floor for now. And then when I come back, we're going to assemble these. So guys, we've clipped it all off. I'm just going to begin by assembling it. You just push the base of his feet into the slot for the base, and that's the wrong way around. See, that was fairly easy. The slots in. Now I'm going to look at mold line removal now, and also filing down. So see the little, that's where it was connected to the sprue. I'm just going to give it a little light file down. And then I'm going to use the mold line remover. Let's see if we can find some mold lines. You can slightly see it on the nubbin for his knee, or for his ankle, should I say. And you just run it along there really lightly, and then you just give that a little file down. And then we're just going to do over this line here. And fully enough, all these mold lines will be on the exact same place for every single model. So that's, when I first started out, mold lines, I was like, what's a bloody mold line? Don't even know what you're talking about. But I'm glad I can help anyone who's new to the hobby. So that's pretty much done. There's any on this back, but we can file this down a little bit. So next we've got guard pad, so I give it a little file there. Smoothing out where we've clipped off the sprue, and then just lightly go over that mold line. And unfortunately we can't make things perfect, but we can get things looking as best as possible, couldn't we? So it's pretty much mostly off. A little bit there. Give it a little file at the top. It's pretty much that's done. The head. See, we can see that line there going across his cranium. So we're going to literally focus this. Go like that. That's all we're doing. Really lightly. Oh, this is so hard. Doing it on camera. But you know, you get my drift, don't you? Just run the edge of the mold line remover tool on there. Now this is an easy one to get to, so I'm just going like that. On this clip, on this hand, along the barrel. So if we were going to glue this, we would put a blob of glue there and there, and then, well, first we put the head in, and we put a blob of glue there and there. The good thing is, these just clip together, and the heads fill out. Right. And then push it together with you. Excellent. Right. Might be a slight gap. You always get some pliers and that. And that just goes on like that. And then that pops into there, that pops into there. I would probably try and get his wrist in first because that's more likely to break. Just go easy on it. That's it. And that. And then backpack. Just easy does it. Now, when we go to paint it, we're going to probably paint it in a sub-assembly because we want to paint the aquila, which is the little eagle in the chest plate. We want to be able to get underneath the chair, behind the arms and the chest and stuff like that. So, you know, that's a good thing why we don't have to glue it as well. And then to prise it away, I just fit something in between and just rock it back and forth, and there you go, pops out. Same with the backpack, just do that, easy, easy. So when we go to paint it, we'll probably start it like this, and we'll sub-assembly paint it. So guys, I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Nice one guys, ciao.